Hi guys! Welcome back to Emc Jho channel. For this video, we're going to have another holiday staycation at JA Ocean View Hotel. So if you are new here guys in our channel, please click the subscribe button. JA Inside the hotel, there is available souvenir shop, accessories, swimsuits, luggage, and many more. Il Moto restaurant is also available here. So again, at this time, I have taken the video early in the morning. That's why guests aren't here. Moving forward, there's a salon, Beards and Shears. We are heading now for Gym Fitness. Please take note that there is no separate entrance for the Gym Fitness. So you might get lost. Keep on searching for the gym. So once again guys, there is only one entrance for the spa and fitness gym. There are enough gym equipments, treadmill, and many more for their guests. So I can say that we have good times here with my husband. So this will be the locker room. On my right hand, that will be the shower room. Jacuzzi and sauna is also available here. However, I didn't get chance to use the facilities here.
Moments later.
It's already nighttime guys. So we are going for a walk, heading to our favorite restaurant here in JBR. It's a walking distance from JA Ocean View Hotel. As usual guys, we ordered our favorite dynamite shrimps, black pepper beef, chow mein noodles, and soup for today. Tara guys, let's eat!
Early the next morning.
The buffet dining area is located here in the mezzanine floor. We have noticed that they have only limited seats for their guests here. They have only 10 tables. So meaning, if it is peak season like Christmas, New Year, or any kind of holidays, this buffet dining area is not advisable to dine in. So based in our experience, we have to wait for a long queue just to take our seats. I didn't get chance to take a video. However, you will also witness the crowd and long queue. However, there are also available restaurants inside the hotel. By the way guys, we booked our hotel room accommodation including our buffet breakfast only. Within the area, there is also lots of restaurants available here, including Burger King, KFC, Pizza Hut, and many more. You can enjoy walking around here at the walk because there are also retail shops and there is nearby the beach.
The next morning.
In the 24th floor, the Coral Lounge is available here. The ambience is cozy, spacious, and facing the sea view here. So we just got a complimentary pass eating here due to unexpected crowd and misunderstanding at the buffet dining area in the mezzanine floor. Of course, there is a room rate difference. Although the food that they are serving here is not as many as the buffet area, at least you can already take a seat without any further waiting. Tara guys, let's eat!
2 hours later.
We are heading now to Level Blue Infinity Pool, which opens from 7 a.m. up to 8 p.m. only. The swimming pool area is spacious and they have enough lounge chairs for their guests. And the depth of the pool is around 4.5 in feet. Here's our overall hotel review at JA Ocean View Hotel here in JBR, which is 7.5 out of 10. Please note that this hotel review is only based on our experience. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. See you again on our next vlog. Bye!